Punta lang kami muna ngayon sa Target kasi itong si Muji, naputol yung kanyang tsinelas eh. Right, Muji? What happened to your sandals?
It broke.
It broke? So what are you wearing right now? A small one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to see one. My is still broke, see?
Yeah. So, ito muna kami Target, bibili kami ng pamalit na tsinelas. Tapos, gagawa natin ng magandang cinematic effects itong walang kakwenta-kwentang vlog na to. Okay, andito na kami ngayon sa Target.
What's the everyone?
Tatama.
What's up, everyone? Daddy, that looks like a small car. Daddy, what do you call that small car?
Vintage car.
Vintage.
Ito nga pala yung malapit sa Target. Oh. Nakita nyo itong mga private paints na to. Oh, kasi nakaharap tayo ngayon sa Broome International Airport. Nawala namang international flight. Ayan, dito na kami sa Target. Dito kami bibili ng tsinelas ni Muji. Sachi, what are you talking about? What are you telling about your slippers?
My pinky is almost hard to get to the edge like this.
Ah, is it coming out?
Yeah.
Maybe it's too small for you.
Yeah, should we buy one?
Yeah, let's go.
Should we buy two sneakers?
What's that, Sachi?
My pinky's coming out. And we gotta buy a new one for me too.
Oh.
If my pinky goes broke,
I'm tall
it
now.
will go like this.
Yeah.
I'm tall now.
That's why we need
When did we buy that thing? A long time ago.
M.
I'm tall now.
Yeah. SM. Yeah. No, we didn't buy it from SM. We bought it from Trinoma.
And you still have to do
Shoe section. Have you got your slippers now? Does it fit you? Yeah.
Yes, I said.
Look at Sachi. Yep. Is that Mr. Beast? Oh no. That's a video game, Sachi. Ang tagal pala namin hindi napunta sa Target. Parang ang daming paninda ngayon, ano? What's that?
That Minecraft book.
Is that a book?
Subscribe if you want Minecraft.
Muji. You want to spell that?
No.
What have you got there, Muji? Roblox, Minecraft.
I was just looking at Minecraft.
Hey, Sachi, what are you sitting there?
I just want to.
Why is this?
Sorry.
$1, Daddy.
$1? What is that?
Daddy,
Oh yeah, just $1. Yeah, but it's a tape.
$1. You can get it for $2 or $6.
Look, there's a drone, Sachi. Yeah, that's a smaller drone. You happy with your slippers?
I'm happy with the headphones.
New pair of slippers?
I got new one too.
Yeah, I got a new one. Kami dito sa Target, nakabili na kami ng tsinelas, pero pasyal lang kami sa Bunnings kasi kailangan namin ng tile grout cleaner. Oh, yung brush tsaka nung chemical na panglinis kasi madudumi na yung tile grout ng banyo namin eh. Init dito, init na sasakyan.
So hot.
So hot.
So burn.
It's burning, right?
Yeah. What's up, everyone? Kapag tayo mga thank you for the chat. My name is Sachi. At my number.
Okay, so nakauwi na kami, dito kami sa bahay.
We're back home.
We're back home. Ayun, at dito ko na siguro tatapusin tong vlog ko na to. Kung bago lang kayo dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and
See
hit
you
the
on the
notification bell para updated kayo sa mga future videos ko. At kung dati ka na kayong subscribers, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood. At laging tatandaan, like, share, and comment lang para tuloy-tuloy ang kwentuhan. And I will see you on my next video.